Blue trucks rolling past my window, white cars in a yellow-blue glow. I keep my coffee cold in my hand and watch that line disappear in the sand. I'm out on the highway again. Long miles, no sleep, no friend. Tight curves cut through the night. Headlights fade, then slip from sight. Through the towns and villages I go, same old road moving slow, and I count the signs like prayers, just to keep me breathing air. Blue trucks, rolling on. Blue trucks, till the dawn. White cars with yellow and blue lights keep us safe through the lonely night. Blue trucks, rolling on. Keeps my eyelids up. Paper cup, half full cup. The cab smells like rain and dust. A little steel, a little rust. I see the fields go pale and wide, then brick houses slide by side. Every curve feels too damn close, but I stay with the convoy slow. Blue trucks, rolling on. Blue trucks, till the dawn. White cars with the yellow and blue lights keep us safe through the lonely night. Blue trucks, rolling on. Through the cities, through the farms, through the hard miles and the long lawns. If I'm alone, I'm not alone at all, and that blue line answers the call.